and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you're just joining our channel, we are now on day 15 of our truck camper conversion. This is what I have to sand today. I want to glue the board onto the ceiling more.
Then I'm gonna have to put a new connector board in there. Okay, they gotta come out anyways. I gotta do it first. Properly. Do it properly first. Thankfully, the aluminum was in decent shape underneath the wood. Once we removed the wood, we didn't see very much for corrosion, which was good. The roof vent framing still needs to be finished.